Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Royale High Campus 4 is loaded and your account is ready to act. Once done, check that you own the locker or have permission to access it. This prevents wasted clicks. Next, fast travel or walk directly to the Campus 4 locker row and stand in front of the locker number you need. Make sure your character is close and facing the locker. This ensures the interaction prompt appears so you can open it immediately. You now open the locker using the interaction prompt. Click the button or the right-click menu. Once the locker UI appears, switch tabs to wardrobe, items, or storage to find what you need. Then select items individually or use multi-select if available. Drag them to your avatar, click withdraw, or use the equip option. Make sure to confirm quantities for stackable items. While doing this, watch your inventory limits so nothing silently fails, and pause if the UI seems slow. Finish by equipping or moving the retrieved items into your active inventory, then close the locker UI so the game saves changes. After closing, inspect your avatar and inventory slots to confirm everything transferred correctly. This prevents lost items later. If something goes wrong, like missing items, a frozen UI, or no interaction prompt, relog and rejoin the same Campus 4 server, check for game updates, and try again. If the item
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.